Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert OST emails into PST file format and email service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 Outlook 4 and 6 Wizard software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Go to Open button and choose Option from the list. We are choosing Outlook option and choose Configured Outlook account. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, check the required OST folder in the software panel. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, click the email to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature, and more. The software provides export option to convert Outlook emails into email files, email service, and document files. We are selecting PST saving format. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save Outlook conversion result. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is skip grayed Outlook folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your email account. Other is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this option to remove your output data titles to reduce output file size. The last one is create individual PST file for each folder. Enable this option if you want individual PST files for each mailbox such as inbox, send, and others. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of Outlook conversion. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button and go to Open folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get emails converted into PST format. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.